Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am going to get my prescription glasses updated with Dr. Victor Flores. That's what we're doing today. I was running late, didn't even get my jacket out the car to cover up these bra straps, but let's go. Can you repeat just what is happening with my eyes? You said something about myopic and...
Yeah, so you're myopic, which means that you cannot see at a distance without glasses.
Right.
This is normal for about 40 or 30% of the population, depending on where you were born. But from 40 on, you start developing an additional condition, which is called presbyopia, in which your eye loses the ability to focus at near. So by then, you will need a different prescription for reading that you do for distance. People myopic like yourself will be able to just remove their seeing glasses and read.
Right.
Depending on their degree of myopia. So it has a protective effect for presbyopia. In your case, which is about 250, you'll be able to read without glasses. That is to remove your seeing glasses and read up until age about 50 to 52 or something of the sort.
Okay.
From then on, you won't have an arm that's long enough.
Okay, got it.
And you will need reading glasses.
Reading glasses.
But until then, you're going to be perfectly able to just remove your glasses and read.
Read the phone. Okay, thank you so much.
You're very
Thank you so
welcome.
much. You heard the good doc. I am myopic. So I will of course leave his information down in the description box below, because you know, when you're in a country that does not speak your first language, it's always good to find someone that does speak your language, because I don't know if I would have been able to understand much and ask the questions that I asked if we were just using the Translate app or something. So I appreciated that he spoke English. He is in Alta Brisa, which you will find Star Medica and a lot of dental, optical, body, like even in this one where I just walked to, there's an ambulance over there. I don't know if you can see what's happening behind me. And this is not the hospital, but this is just so many health offices right here. Oh Lord, the sun. Let me come out of the sun. Coming up on no sunscreen, you know. Yeah, so I was happy to find him. Doctor said he gave me a prescription for, I'm up in the 40s now, 40 vision or whatever. I don't know what the numbers mean. But that's where I am at now. And I have already had to be like, I wear my glasses to like drive or see long distances, but then I take them off to try and read the phone, child. Granny's grannying. So yeah, that was a good visit. The cost was 550 pesos because today's a Wednesday. They have like a Wednesday special. And I was like, okay, give me that. I will take a Wednesday special to go, please. So he said it was 700 pesos outside of that. And then he gave me my prescription and sent me on my way. There was no haggling. Like, you know, at some stores, they will haggle you to be like, oh, well, you have to get your prescription filled here. And they want to sell you these expensive glasses. He wrote my prescription and sent me on his way. So I like his style. I like his office. Good to go. Next up, I'm trying to figure out whether I want to do dental or wait till I go back to Jamaica to just see our dentist that we've been seeing since Marley was yay high. So I might wait on that. I do want to get lab tests done because I want to check like my iron levels and things like that. So I might do that. So we'll see where this vlog goes, but I'm about to go meet up with someone who wants my help over lunch, and that's what we're gonna do right now. I am about to meet up with one of my friends for lunch, but I just wanted to show you this little plaza. This is the cafe that we are going to be meeting in, and there's so many of these little plazas all around Merida. I don't know, sometimes I wonder how all of them operate and stay, you know, functional. There's a milk tea bar right there. There's a dental center right there. That place looks like it sells jewelry. There's a smash burger place opening there. There's a sushi place there. Lots of little places all around to have lunch, to meet up, to do what you want to do. Look at this store. It looks like it sells sleepwear, swimwear, and underwear. And that can be difficult to find if you're of a certain size. So check that one out. But here we are. Hola, buenos dias. It's still pumpkin spice season here in Merida, and this was a great little treat for me. My friend was running late, so I ended up eating all by my lonesome. And then I went to meet her after, so you will see her in the next clip after this. But I had a grand old time, and this sandwich was to die for. I actually really enjoyed this, so didn't mind at all my quiet little lunch to myself. Look at that tiny little car. Is that even street legal? Well, he got his license plates and everything. This seems perfect for zipping around Merida. Out here having lunch with Miss Tina. Say hi, Miss Tina. Hello. We are having healthy. And she don't like that. Look at her.
Not at all.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna enjoy my super green and get down to business. I'm at the mall and the mall is packed. The mall is absolutely packed. I didn't even know if you guys can hear me, so I might voice over this part. But it is Buen Fin, baby. And people are out to spend their money. Buen Fin. Oh, this is one of my favorite little stores for like, okay, I really love these. They're only 79 pesos. I might get a few. I don't know if I like the patterns. I'm kind of very, maybe this black and white one could work. Namaste. Alright, let me try to stay focused. Christmas trees. Look, the train is not even working today. There's too many people. So this is China City. And they sell all kind of replica everything. Like you would expect in a Chinese store. I'm gonna voice over the rest just in case I get a music strike from the music that's in the background. But yeah, this is China City. As I was saying, they sell all kind of replica everything, child. Everything from China that you'd expect on the low. And ooh, I love a good purse situation, but I didn't like the clasp at the top. I look a granny-ish. Me not quite reach this yet. Style coming back in, but not quite for me yet. So I was in the store to try and find a large suitcase because you know that I'm leaving Mexico, so I needed a checked bag, and I think I gave my mom my checked bag when she was leaving Mexico the last time. So I've been traveling carry-on only these past few trips, so time to get a checked bag. So you see me walking through the store trying to find the checked bag, and then you'll see them coming up around the back. But this is one of my favorite stores, just to kind of browse and see what else is new. See what I can find on the low. Quality is sometimes questionable, but you're expecting what you're expecting for these prices. Boom, found the luggage. Let's see what I find. So I got my bag. It was in there for 1,200 pesos, which is about 60 USD. And then I only got 10% off. What kind of sale that? What kind of sale that, China City? So I got it for 1,080 pesos. Whatever. I got a bag. I'm gonna go home and start packing. I'm just heading into the grocery store now for some tissue, because even though I'm not trying to buy much. Yeah, I'm not trying to spend anything for these next few days, but I still gotta wipe my bum. So I went to the grocery store just to pick up tissue and some cleaning supplies for getting out of my apartment. So that's what we're here for, muting again, because music, child, in at the store, the festive atmosphere for Buen Fin. Buen Fin is actually about 2 weeks long, and some stores go really crazy. Even a grocery store has sales, child. That's what I love. Look at that, 70% off whatever was down that aisle. I love that even the grocery stores get in on the Buen Fin festivities. I was looking here at some chips. I got the chips for a good sale price because I was complaining that, you know, I was on a no spend, so I can't take part of the Buen Fin activities. And what do you know? The chips were on sale. So I was like, well, let me get a bag of chips. How about that? And then further on down in the aisles, I will show you some other treats that are on sale for Buen Fin, but I did not partake in those treats. See them here? See them here? 3 for 2. Buy 3 bottles of alcohol. No, pay for 2, get 3. Isn't that amazing? Didn't buy none though, because time to go. Here's the bag that I ended up getting. As I said, I spent about $50 for it. And, you know, it's a hard case. It will do. I think it will do pretty well. It has protective corners and it has that kind of, what is that, combination lock situation. I stopped locking up my suitcase then because them are going to open it and dig through it, so I can't bother. When you open it, it lays flat like that, and then it has this part that you can zip all the way around so you can protect the things that are in one side, and it has the straps for the things that are in the other side. So it's no name brand. You know, maybe one day my channel will get big enough and I will get on Away and what's the other one, Samsonite's radar, so that they can send me something, you know, nice and fresh. But for now, this will do. So I have already started packing, guys. It is that time. Tell me, are we still like taping up these things, or how do I package these things to go? Drop it in the comments. Let me know how to package these things, because I just bought them this summer and here we are traveling again. So let me know how to package them, please.